at this duck. Oh, look at this duck. These birds. Look, oh my God. Look at this. This is in Kaanapali. Oh, it's Maui. Oh my God, look at this duck. Oh my goodness, look. Yeah. Oh my God, there are more. There are more here. I cannot just imagine. Ah, what are they? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. See? Ay, look. This is in Kaanapali. Wow. Wow. How nice. Oh my God, I miss you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at the small chicken. Ay, look at that bird over there. Look, this bird. Gee, hi. Hi. See, look at that. Oh, this is so nice. Nice, guys. Oh, hello. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Oh. What else? Ah, look at the small birds. Ah, you see that's so cute. Oh, look at these birds. They're so cute over there. Cute. See, look at that. It's so cute. Oh, that one over there. They are so cute. Oh my God, this is a lot. All over there too. Oh, how nice. It's so pretty. See that? These are all pretty. Street duck. Street duck in Kaanapali. Oh, look at that. Where is it? Oh, that is so cute. What is this? Is this chicken or bird? Oh, this is a small duck. Wow, bye-bye.